Hey, welcome to the Language Exchange channel. I'm Anna, and in today's video you will see 50 sentences of everyday English. Let's do it! Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Good morning, it's a beautiful day. Good morning, it's a beautiful day. What's for breakfast? What's for breakfast? I need a coffee to wake up. I need a coffee to wake up. Can you pass the salt, please? Can you pass the salt, please? I love your outfit. Where did you get it? I love your outfit. Where did you get it? How was your day at work? How was your day at work? Let's grab lunch together. Let's grab lunch together. I'm running late. Can we reschedule? I'm running late. Can we reschedule? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? I'm so tired. I need a nap. I'm so tired. I need a nap. Can you give me a hand with this? Can you give me a hand with this? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Can I have the check, please? Can I have the check, please? I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. How's your family doing? How's your family doing? Have a safe trip. Have a safe trip. I'm looking for a book to read. I'm looking for a book to read. What's your opinion on this matter? What's your opinion on this matter? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. Do you want to go for a walk in the park? Do you want to go for a walk in the park? I can't find my keys anywhere. I can't find my keys anywhere. Let's go shopping for groceries. Let's go shopping for groceries. How's your health these days? How's your health these days? What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music? What time is it? What time is it? Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework? I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. Please be quiet. I'm trying to concentrate. Please be quiet. I'm trying to concentrate. I'll be right back. Just need to use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Just need to use the bathroom. I have a job interview next week. I have a job interview next week. Let's go for a drive in the countryside. Let's go for a drive in the countryside. This is my favorite place to relax. This is my favorite place to relax. I love to cook dinner for my friends. I love to cook dinner for my friends. Can you pass me the remote control? Can you pass me the remote control? Don't forget to lock the door when you leave. Don't forget to lock the door when you leave. I need to do the laundry today. I need to do the laundry today. How's your dog doing? How's your dog doing? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? I have a big project due at work. I have a big project due at work. Let's have a picnic in the park. Let's have a picnic in the park. How's your new job going? How's your new job going? I can't find my glasses. I can't find my glasses. Can you please speak more slowly? Can you please speak more slowly? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Have a great day. Have a great day. Great work! You have just reached 50 sentences that you can use in everyday English. Give us a thumbs up if this content was useful for you, and remember to subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.